I'm currently on the dashboard of Rytr, and Rytr is an AI content writing tool. And this Black Friday, they've got a pretty impressive deal going on, and it's one of my favorite deals this Black Friday 2022. I'm going to show you Rytr and show you how you can claim this deal, which is 30% off. And for those of you that stick around to the end, I'm going to show you a way that you can save even more money this Black Friday if you're in the market for an AI content writer. So as I said, this is the dashboard for Rytr when you log in. If you go over to account here, you can see that you get free 10,000 credits per month, which is very, very generous. It's one of the more generous free plans that I've seen out there. And for 10,000 credits, you can make yourself a few blog posts of around 2,000 words per month. However, if you want to start using Rytr for more things, or you want to start increasing your content velocity, then you might want to get the paid plan. In order to use Rytr, it's really simple. Everything happens on this left side here. You select your language, you select your tone of voice. Once you've done that, you select your tool. You can see they've got loads here and they're always adding more. There'll be the first link in the description will take you through to Rytr, so you can have a go at this yourself. You put your section topic, so I'm going to write a section of a blog here. So this would be my section topic. Then we would have the keywords I want to put in. 2 variants is the number of outputs I want to pick from, so that's going to use more of my word count out as I pick different ones of these. So 1 will use less words than 3, and then I've got my creativity as well. Once I've filled all of that out, then all I've got to do is hit write for me. I click on that and it's going to go to work and write me a blog section. Then once I've got that here, then I can go away and edit it, or I can cut and paste it into my article. Now the nice thing about this is you can see we've got 264 words, so you get a really good output. Lots of information, and then I can go through and review all of this. You've got your tools in here that you can edit, so you can put your H1, H2, H3 for your headers. You can bold, underline, you can add links, you can do everything inside. I'm not going to go into this in more detail because we do have reviews on this channel, and I'll show you how to get access to those at the end if you want to watch more reviews. But if you want to take advantage of the Black Friday deal, this is what you need to do. Click the link in the description, it's the first one, and then if you don't already have a Rytr account, you need to create a new account. You can do that with your Gmail or an email account. If you do have one, then you just need to log into Rytr. You're then going to head to the account and then to the credit section, and then you need to choose the Rytr Unlimited plan. That's really important. And then the coupon code that you're going to use is this one here. And the reason I really like this plan is it's 30% off forever. A lot of the Black Friday deals that I've seen are only giving you a discount for a few months, so 3 months or 6 months of an annual plan. And yes, that is a saving, but this is 30% off forever. So as long as you've got the account active, you're getting 30% off, which is impressive. Then you can start writing. So let me show you what that actually looks like within the tool. So we're going to go over here to account. Once you've done that, you can see that we're already on credits. What you're going to do then is you want to head down, make sure you're on unlimited, and you need to hit the pay yearly button. Once you've done that, you need to hit use coupon, and then you're just going to cut and paste the coupon in. You can see that the coupon is here, and it will be in the description of this video as well. As soon as you've done that, you can see at the moment it's $290 a year. You just hit apply coupon, and there's the saving there. And then obviously you just complete the checkout, and then you will have 30% off for life with this tool, with Rytr. So as you can see here, I've just used some of my credit limits up today. But if you want to save even more money, if $203 sounds like too much for you to spend, I do have another option for you. And this is it. This is Wordhero. This again is an AI content writer, and it's currently on AppSumo, but they've got it on Black Friday offer. And as you see here, it's $89 for life. So you're going to save much more than if you go for a yearly plan with Rytr. Now this software is available until the end of their Black Friday deal, which I believe goes until the 29th, and you get a 60-day guarantee, which means that if you don't like it, you can return it within 60 days. It does have a long form editor within it, so you can write full blog articles, and they've got over 70 tools just like the ones in Rytr. And if you want to pick up any additional software, then you can get an extra 10% off if you spend over $150. So if you buy this piece of software and then another piece of software around the same price point, then you can get a significant saving, an additional 10% on what you are spending. This will be the second link in the description if you want to check out Wordhero and see what it can do. Here are the videos on the screen now if you'd like to learn more about how to use Rytr. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.